Hello everyone. In this video we will see about how to make all the conversions at a glance. Okay. Even though the students are familiar with the conversions individually, when it is asked in as a group or in a question paper, they are not able to answer properly because of some confusions they have. Hope this video will give a clear idea about how to choose the method of conversion. Okay, so for that they should have some idea about what is a base or a radix. What is a base or a radix is, for the decimal number the radix or the base is 10. For binary number it is radix or base is 2. For octal number the radix or base is 8, and for the hexadecimal number the radix or base is 16. Okay, so now we will see at a glance from a chart. I have given a chart having all these conversions in one flow. Okay, now the root which says about the number system conversion. We have two types here. One is from decimal number system to the machine number system. In here we have dividing into two parts. Okay, one is the whole number part and the second one is the fractional part. In the whole number part we have, what we have to do is we have to divide by the radix or the base. As I told you, the radix may be 8, 2 or 16 based upon it is octal, binary or hexa. Then after that we will get the remainders from the division. The remainders from the division we have to collect, and that should happen from downwards to upwards. In the case of fractional part, how we have to do is we have to multiply the fractional part by the radix or the base, which is 2, 8 or 16 based upon whether the number is octal, binary or hexa. After that we have to collect the values of the fractional part from top to bottom. So this is how the conversion from decimal to machine system takes place. I have given clearly the example in video 1 and video 2 for this decimal and the machine system. Now coming to the next part, we will have the machine to decimal number system. In order to convert from machine to decimal number system, again we have divided into two parts. One is the whole number part, another is the fractional part. In the whole number part, what we do is we multiply the number by the power of the base, that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1 for binary, or 8 power 0, 8 power 1 for octal, or 16 power 0, 16 power 1, etc. for hexadecimal. Then we add upon the values. So what values you got from those, we have to add up the values, and that is the final answer. In the case of the fractional part, what we have to do is we have to multiply by the reciprocal of the base. That means divide by the power of the base. That means by 1 by 2 power 1, 1 by 2 power 2, etc. for binary, 1 by 8 power 1, 1 by 8 power 2, etc. for octal, and 1 by 16, 1 by 16 power 2, etc. for hexadecimal number. Then we will get some values. We have to add all the values to write the fractional part. Then finally, how to conclude the answer is what the answer you got from this whole number part, that has to be collected and kept. And for the when you write the final answer, you have to write the whole number part dot what the answer you got from the decimal part. Same way here also, what the answer you got from this whole number part dot the answer you got from the decimal part. Hope you are clear with the conversion between these number systems. Thanks for watching.